Welcome to CocoMo Kids TV. Today we're going to a dolphin show. Come on, it's gonna be so much fun. Come on friends, it's time to go. We're heading to the dolphin show. Blue big pool and bright sunshine, dolphins jump in a perfect line. One dolphin spins round and round, splashing water on the ground. Another dolphin flips so high, almost touching the sky. They clap their fins, dancing in the air, smiling, happy faces everywhere. Kids all cheer, hip hip hooray, dolphins made our happy day. Waves go splash and lights go glow. Welcome friends to the dolphin show.